Second problem, if A equal to minus 5, 1, 3, 7, 1 minus 5, 1 minus 1, 1 and B equal to 1, 1, 2, 3, 2, 1, 2, 1, 3. Find the products AB and BA and hence solve the system of equations here. You want to find the product AB and BA first. Okay. So that AB is nothing but product of AB. So A matrix is here and B matrix is here. Ordinary matrix multiplication we have to do that. Okay. First row, first column is here and first row, second column is here. First row, third column is here. And then we have to multiply second row, first column and then second row, second column and then second row, third column. And then we have to multiply third row, first column is here, third row, second column is here, third row, third column is here. And then simplify all the things. We have 4, 0, 0, 0, 4, 0, 0, 0, 4. That is nothing but 4i. Then we want to find the value of product BA. So we want to find for BA here. So here we can write BA is B matrix into A matrix. So multiply as it is matrix multiplication. First row, first column is here. First row, second column is here. First row, third column is here. And then again second row, first column. Second row, second column. Second row, third column. And then third row, first column. Third row, second column. Third row, third column is here. And then simplify this, we have the same 4 into I here. Okay. So if you multiply this, divide by this by 4, that 1 by 4 into AB, 1 by 4 into BA is nothing but I here. Okay. So from this I want to reduce the other things there. Here hence we have to reduce some things, isn't it? So if you want to take the first and the third one, that means 1 by 4 AB equal to I. I can have the value of this B inverse as 1 by 4 A. So it's nothing but 1 by 4 into this A here. So this value B inverse value is 1 by 4 into this one. So we have to reduce the matrix there. Here the matrix form is given. We have to take this matrix in this matrix form, equations into the matrix form as 1, 1, 2, 3, 2, 1, 2, 1, 3 here. And then the variables are x, y, z and the constants are 1, 7, 2. So we wrote here as 1, 7, 2. Now this is in the format of Bx equal to D. So you want to take some other letters there. So Bx equal to D. So x equal to B inverse D here. For this B inverse already we got the value here as 1 by 4 into something there. So substitute here this value. So 1 by 4 into this matrix and D is 172. And then we want to multiply these two matrices so that we got here like this. Simplify this so that we have 1 by 4, 8, 4 minus 4 and then we can divide each and every element by 4 there so that we have 2, 1 minus 1. Therefore we can conclude the answer for x, y, z as x equal to 2, y equal to 1 and z equal to minus 1. Second problem, a man is appointed in a job with monthly salary of certain amount and a fixed amount of annual increment. His salary was 19,800 rupees per month. At the end of first month after 3 years of service is 23,400. At the end of first month after 9 years service, find his starting salary and his annual increment. Here let me take this x and y be the starting salary and the annual increment here. Here clearly it's given his salary was 19,800 per month at the end of first month after 3 years of service. Here we want to take x be the starting salary and y be the annual increment. Okay, so we can take this as x plus 3y. From the first statement we can take this as x plus 3y is 19,800, and then from the second statement we can take this as x plus 9y equal to 23,400. We can form this as matrix format 1, 3, 1, 9 and xy as the variables, and here 19,800 and 23,400. So this is in the format of ax equal to b now. For this I want to find the value of the x, isn't it? X is nothing but the variables xy. So x equal to, we have x equal to A inverse B there. For this I want to find the value of A inverse. That A inverse is nothing but 1 by determinant A into adjoint A. Since it is the 2 by 2 matrix, I can find directly that adjoint, isn't it? So change these elements and change the symbol of these two elements here. So the determinant value is 1 by 9 minus 3. So that I got this value as 1 by 6, 9 minus 3 minus 1, 3 there. So this is the value of A inverse here. Then I want to substitute in this solution x equal to A inverse B. That x is nothing but xy and A inverse is this one and the B is here. And then multiply these two matrices like this, and then 1 by 6 into 1,08,000 and 3,600. Divide this by 6 there, so that we got x equal to 18,000 and y equal to 600. Therefore, the starting salary is 18,000 and the annual increment is 600.